English, Grade 7.
Tape script 5.13.1. Long hair, long hair. Short hair, short hair. A great smile, a great smile. Brown eyes, brown eyes. Big feet, big feet. Curly hair, curly hair. White teeth, white teeth. Ears, ears. A cute nose, a cute nose. Tape script 5.13.2.
Wow, Linda, you've got a big smile on your face today. A very big smile. Who are you thinking about?
It's a boy.
Huh? A boy?
Yeah. He's so nice and he's good looking.
Really? How old is he?
Same as us. He's 13 years old and he's in grade 7 too. He's got a great smile and white teeth.
Hair?
He's got short hair.
What color?
Red.
What? Red hair?
Yes, red hair.
Okay, I can't guess. Who is it?
It's my friend. My friend Tom. You know Tom, my English friend. My best friend Tom is coming from England today.
Tape script 5.13.3.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Tape script 5.13.4.
Where's my apple? I know. A thief. The thief has got white teeth. The thief hasn't got curly hair. The thief has got brown hair. The thief has got a big mouth and a great smile. The thief is shorter than Supal and better looking. The thief isn't a Wong or Sray Mom. The thief is smart.
Tape script 5.13.5.
Can you see him?
Yes. Can you guess who he is?
Has he got a red bag?
No. He's got a blue bag.
Has he got a big nose?
No, he hasn't.
Has he got a book?
Yes, he has.
Does he have yellow teeth?
No, he doesn't.
Is he tall?
Not really. He's taller than me.
Is he eating an apple?
Yes, he is.
Is he happy?
Yes, he is.
Is that him?
Well done. Yes, it is.